What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. It's good to have you all back here on this lovely Friday morning. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin again, obviously, and we're mainly going to be taking a look at the price of Bitcoin. No real news around Bitcoin. I mean, the market over the last few days has been pretty stable, I'd say. That's also very visible in the price of Bitcoin itself, has just been consolidated. So pretty boring, pretty quiet, but hopefully we're going to get some big moves soon. So let's dive right into it. I think let's first check out some of that volume. Right now on CoinMarketCap, you cannot really look for cryptos anymore with their abbreviation or with their ticker. So right now, Bitcoin, I mean, volume has dropped down a little bit. It's still very high at around 30 billion, 7.8% of the market cap. So there's nothing wrong with that. And then if we take a look at the price, let's just dive right into it, right? I mean, there's not anything I wanted to say more about the market right now. Not a lot to be said. You can see that we're pretty bearish again. I mean, my expectation kind of was over the last couple of days and for the next couple of days. Was that we would kind of consolidate between 20,500 and ultimately 19,700. That's the level we're in, and I'm sticking with that analysis. I think that's also what's happening right now. I think we're dropping down there, but I think we'll find support at 19,700, and then somewhere in the upcoming days, I think we're going up to this level here at 20,800, 900, 700. And then from there, it's pretty insecure still what's going to happen from there. We're falling pretty hard right now, actually. Still, I'm standing with my analysis, but yeah, we're going to have to wait because and I've always said this, or I've said this over the last week, this is the resistance level that counts. All right, if we do not, if we get a strong resistance touch off of that, there's quite a high chance that we're dropping all the way down to 17,600. But if we can actually get there and kind of try to break through that immediately, then we probably are going to. And then we're probably also going to move up towards that 22,000, 22,500 key area, which would be great. I mean, that would be a bullish October, which I have been talking about ever since the end of September. Very long time. So it's I do definitely believe in that, even though I know the market circumstances are whack, all right, to say the least. But I do think that that we'll be able to hold our levels and that we'll be able to get to 20,800. Not break through that immediately, but after a while, I do think we'll be able to break through that whole level around 21,000. So, but until then, it's waiting, and right now it's also. It's also a little bit risky, all right? So it's risky to be optimistic because this candle is pretty bullish or bearish. So the thing is what's probably going to happen, or there's as I said, what's probably going to happen is we're going to stay on top of it. But if we break down below 19,700, then the situation changes, all right? So then we still have one chance to get back above that on top of that trend line. If we don't, if we just take that break retest, I was wrong, and we might drop down on the way to 18,500 again. So there are definitely some risks right now in Bitcoin. I don't think those risks are the most likely scenario, but still you should know about them. Right? So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin right now. I wanted to quickly check out this indicator right here, which shows the volume on certain levels, and then if you grab it like this, you can definitely see which levels are the strongest, at least in volume. And there you can see that most volume actually comes in around a little bit higher, and that maybe 20,700 isn't as significant as I said it would be. I still think it is, but still, this doesn't tell you the whole story. So yeah, it's either way going to be interesting. So I'll definitely be back with more updates soon. If you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.